Hi everyone, Mr. Justin here at the Hernando County Public Library System, and thank you so much for joining us for another craft video. If you watched our story time this week, you know that we read all about dinosaurs. Roar! And we read about some of my favorite dinosaurs, including the Stegosaurus and the Tyrannosaurus Rex. But today we're going to make our craft, which is going to be a Triceratops. Right there is our fun little Triceratops, and if you want to make the Triceratops along with us, you can go pick up the craft kit while supplies last at your closest library branch. And right there is our Triceratops. And we are going to go ahead and start, and this is what you're going to get when you get your craft bag. You will need some glue or a glue stick and a black crayon, black marker, black pen to kind of fill in everything with our little Triceratops. But when you get the bag, we're going to open this up, and you are going to, of course, get the yellow little gift bag right here. We're going to get kind of the back of the head of the Triceratops. You're going to get four little rectangular shapes. Two are going to be bigger, which will be the legs, and two are going to be slightly smaller, which are going to be the arms. We have two horns. That's where Triceratops gets its name from, are the horns. We got a third smaller triangular shaped horn, and then we have the two white circles for the eyes. So I'm going to take my little bag, and we kind of want this flap to kind of be the head of our Triceratops. So I'm going to go ahead and put that face up, and let's go ahead and let's do the eyeballs first. So I'm going to take one of the white circles, I'm going to put glue on it on the back, and I'm going to place it on the front of our dinosaur. I'm going to put it right there, and then we're going to take our second circle, I'm going to glue that, and we're going to put it right here also on the front. So we have our eyes, and let's go ahead and put our triangular shaped horns, our little tiny horn. I'm going to put glue on that, and you can place it wherever you want in between the eyes. I'm going to go kind of in the middle, almost looks like a nose in this case, but that's all right. I'm going to put it right there, but we all know it's going to be a horn, and we'll put it right there. So let's go ahead and do the arms, which is going to be the smaller rectangles. I'm going to put some glue on just the end of one right here. And I like the arms to kind of be pointing upwards, so I'm going to be putting it in front of in the front of the bag, just like that. I'm going to do the same for the other side. So it's going to look just like that. And we're going to do the same for the legs. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on just the one half of the legs. I'm going to put it on the bottom of the bag, so it's going to be sticking out just like that. Almost looks like our Triceratops is doing a jumping jack. And then I'm going to do it over here with this one also. And so this is what we've got so far. Okay, at this point you can go ahead and put your Triceratops face down, because we're going to go ahead and do the little headpiece, the little frill of it. And I'm going to I want the side without the black lines to be facing out. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of glue on the side, the bottom of the side, with no black lines. And I'm going to be placing it right there behind our, and you can adjust it however you want. There we go, that's pretty good. I like that. So we don't have any black lines facing out. And then we're going to do our horn. I'm going to put glue on a horn, and then I'm going to kind of, it's got a little part that comes out a little bit. I'm going to tuck it in just a little bit behind the bag, and then just glue it flat onto the little headpiece. And we're going to do that for the other one. I just want to make sure that, there we go. I just want to make sure that the horns are facing opposite directions. You don't want the horns facing the same way. It's not the end of the world, but I want my Triceratops to have the horns pointing in different directions. So put it behind the head, place it down, and there we go. Now all we're missing now are the details. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add like the footprints and the toenail type stuff, and I'm just going to take the black marker and I'm just going to kind of do like little circles. So it's going to look a little bit like that. I'm going to do that with both arms and the legs. So it's going to look just like that. And then we're going to put 2 black circles in the eyes for the eyeballs, for the pupils. Just like that. And then we're going to add a little mouth. I like to make kind of an angled triangle mouth for this little fellow. So it's going to look a little bit like that. And there is, oh, he's a cute little guy. So there's our Triceratops right there. We got our Triceratops. And if you would like a craft kit, if you haven't gotten one yet, you can come to your local library branch. You can pick one up from us while supplies last, and then you can work along with us and make the cute little Triceratops. So I hope you all had fun this week. Make sure you click the little reminder to get notifications when our videos go live. We are doing a craft video every week, and we have fun stuff just like the Triceratops. So if you want to join us every week, that would be awesome. And we have our little Triceratops. I hope you enjoyed making them today, and we'll see you all later. Bye, everyone.